Okay, so in 15, the idea is to try to get at this x in the middle here, right? Solve for that x. So the first thing you want to do is chip away anything that's on the outside of the radical. So we're going to take away that 5, take away that 5. We're going to get 4 equals root 25 plus x. So we've isolated the radical, and at this time, we can square both sides. So we're going to square the right, we're going to square the left, and we'll get 16 equals 25 plus x. And then we just subtract 25 from both sides. 16 minus 25 is negative 9. Let's make sure that answer works by plugging it back in. 25 minus 9 is 25 minus 9 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So that answer checks out. Same idea here. Oh, this one is just has an X on that side. Okay, so this one's going to be a little more involved. When you take away 1 from both sides, you'll get X minus 1. Do not, I repeat, do not add these. Why? Because this 1 is on the inside of the radical. It's like there's parentheses here, and that 1 is not. Just send it over, subtract it, both sides. Now we're going to square both sides. Let's square the right first because it's a lot easier. You just get 5x. On the left, when you do anything minus something else squared, remember you get a squared. Don't forget your minus 2ab. I saw that a lot on a couple of worksheets I was grading. This middle part. So when you square this, it's not just x squared minus 1 or x squared plus 1. It is x squared minus 2 times x times 1. That's just 2x plus 1. Now we're going to take away 5x from both sides. And we get, hold on, just checking my worksheet, 15. Where did I go wrong? Oh, I see what I did. Sorry, guys. Let me backtrack here a moment. I forgot when I did the square root of 5x plus 1 and squared it, I forgot to bring that little plus 1 down. So there's actually a plus 1 there. So when I take away 5x from both sides, I also should have taken away 1 from both sides. I'm sitting here thinking, why is this not working out? We're supposed to get 7 and 0. This wasn't working. Now it does, because when I take away 1 from both sides, this is no longer here. So let's clean this up over here. We have x squared minus 7x equaling 0. Now we can factor. Computer's lagging a little bit. As I'm writing, the pen is like a second behind me. So we get x equals 0 and x equals 7. And I see 7 works okay, right? If we put 7 in here, we get 35 plus 1 is 36. The square root of 36 plus 1 is 7. So you'd have a 7 equals 7. So that one's good. 0 doesn't work, though. If you put a 0 here, you get 0 plus 1, which is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. It would say 0 equals 2. False. 0's out.